In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revise payment on Amazon. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and going directly to the Amazon website. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to locate the top section of the web page where you will see an option labeled Account and Lists. This option can usually be found near the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on Account and Lists to reveal a drop-down menu of various account features and settings available to you. After clicking on Account and Lists, move your attention to the section that manages your payments and financial information. Within the menu options, look for the section that indicates your payments. Select your payments, and you will be presented with a list of the payment methods you have on file with Amazon. This section is designed to display your credit cards, debit cards, and any other payment options you have saved for quicker transactions. Once the page displaying your payment methods has loaded, carefully review the list to identify the specific card you wish to update. Whether you are updating an expired card or simply need to change the billing information on file, scroll through the options until you find the card that requires revision. Taking a moment here to verify that you have the correct card is important, as updating the wrong card could lead to inconvenience during your next purchase. When you have located the card you want to modify, click on the Edit option that accompanies it. The edit function provides a secure way to make changes to your payment details. You will now see a form or a set of fields where you can update the information associated with your card. This typically includes fields for the card number, expiration date, and billing address. It is advisable to have the new card information handy or to verify the current details on your latest card before proceeding with the update. After verifying the necessary details, take your time to enter the updated information accurately. It is essential to double check all entries to ensure that there are no mistakes that might cause processing errors later. The system may also prompt you to confirm your identity or review the security information related to your account, so follow any such directions accordingly. With the new details in place, the final step is to click on the Save button. This action secures your updated payment information within Amazon's system. You will typically see a confirmation message or a refreshed page indicating that the changes have been successfully applied. It is a good practice to briefly review the updated information once saved, ensuring that every detail is correct. This concise and straightforward process ensures that you can revise your payment information on Amazon quickly and without complications. By following the steps in the correct sequence, you can enjoy a smooth experience that helps maintain the security and accuracy of your Amazon account settings. Thank you for following along with this practical guide to managing your payment options efficiently on Amazon.